That's Stella in the background. Stella's sitting at the window watching the birds too. Look at all this snow today. It's crazy. And there were tons of birds out here earlier when I was talking to Mom on the phone. Lots of cardinals. And there was a peregrine falcon was here again today on the railing. There's a titmouse. A chickadee. Another chickadee. There's a goldfinch right there. Sparrows. We have lots of sparrows. Lots and lots of sparrows. Oh, there's a cardinal. Very pretty. Very pretty. There were half a dozen of them here a little bit ago. Oh, he's at the feeder. And he's down on the ground. And I'm moving all over the place. Oh, what do we have at the feeder now? That's a house finch. That purpley ones. The purpley ones are. The red ones. There's a cardinal on the other side. Here they come. The titmouse that came to the pole. Chickadees. They're so sweet.